Hello everyone. I'd like to show you a easy and simple method to get off a seized wheel. This is my 2014 Mazda 3, and I kind of run into this problem every season when I swap out my winter tires. I've heard a lot of people recommending different methods. First, people will get underneath their car, they'll hit the wheel with a sledgehammer. For one, I think that's too much brute force and you may damage your wheels. Another way I've heard people try to get off a seized wheel is just lightly thread on all your bolts, go for a drive around the block, and then the wheel should pop off. But I think that's a little unnecessary too. So I'm going to show you something very simple and very effective. We'll get started. So I'll bring you along here. I'll show you that all 5 nuts are off. However, I can't, as you can pull on that pretty hard and that's not popping off. So what I like to do is I'll grab something that's hard that will support the weight of the car. A brick will work, a piece of 2x4. Right here I got a piece of hard plastic. So what I like to do, I'll jack up the car high enough that I can fit this piece underneath the wheel. So I'll get my jack here and jack it up in the air so that I have this. Okay, so I'll do it from the front here so you can see, but I'll put that on the outside third of the wheel. Okay, so this is all clear. And also I'm going to make sure it's important to keep at least 2 bolts on. You don't want to put them on too tight or it won't pop off, so just get them on there, go to the third of the way on, just enough so that when this pops off the wheel doesn't go rolling. Okay, so I got these 2 nuts on, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lower the car back onto the ground, and with this underneath here, that's going to put a force on the wheel in this direction, just enough to pop it off. Okay, and the beauty about this is it's the exact amount of force that you need to pop the wheel off, and when you hear that pop, you're right there with the jack right away so that you can lift up the car again and there's no damage. Okay, so I'll show you here. I'm going to lower the car and then you'll hear a pop here in about 30 seconds. Okay, just lowering the car onto that block underneath. That's putting, see right there, pop it right off. Now you're right here at the jack, so you can lift it up again. Now, I take off these nuts. You'll see that this will come off. No trouble. Anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. Seems like a lot less effort and energy. Much safer way to get off a seized wheel. Thanks, hope you enjoy.